Hello. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, Naveen.
A bit louder, please. I'm not able to hear you. Okay.
Yes, Naveen.
We have created, so we have started our bank interest calculation part. So we have done the literature part. Clear? So we will do the configuration steps right now. Bank interest calculation configuration. Okay. So first one, ledger creations. Okay. Create required first step, create required ledger accounts in FS00. So I don't want to give the path for this. So create required ledger accounts. So here I'll go with FS00 directly. FS00. Our company is UT01. Okay, UT01. Okay, so I'll create 1,30,000. Are we in the same company code, right? UT01 only, right?
Yes, Naveen.
Yeah. So click on create 1,30,000. Account has already created 1,30,000. Let me check. Already created we have. Okay. So just write it down. Let me check. Just write it down this one. So GL account 1,30,000. GL account 1,30,000. Company code UT01. Account to group secured loans. The next one. Short text ICICI car loan account. ICICI car loan account. So long text also same. So control data. Click on control data. So click on only balance in local currency. Only balance in local currency. Open item management. Click on line item display. Sort key 001. Sort key 001. Sort key 001. Double zero one. Next one. Click on create bank interest tab. Click on create bank interest tab. So write the field status group U001 because it's a balance sheet item. It's a balance sheet item. Already we have done this configuration, so that's the reason it is coming. So it's nothing but a, are we in the same? Once again, let me check this. It's the same. Give me a second time. The same server. Okay, write down U001. Actually, it should be ultra balance sheet accounts. So click on save button. Click on save button. Now next we need to create loans to employees, right? Second one we have loans to employees. One is loan to employee. So we need to create, I think it is also already created, 2200. So I'll try to create it. It is already created. So write down the same as it is. Loans and advances. GL account number 2 lakhs 22 lakhs. Okay. Loans and advances. Balance sheet item. Balance sheet account. Short text, loans to employee or loan to employees. Loan to employees. Loan to employees. Click on control data. Click on control data. Click on control data. So account currency by default it will take. Next one, only balances in local currency. Only balances in local currency. Open item management. Same thing. Line item display. Sort key 001. Sort key 001. I'll repeat once again. In control data, select only balance in local currency. Next one, open item management. And next one, it's a line item display. Line item display. Sort key 001. Sort key 001. ఇప్పుడు 001. Okay, go to create bank interest. Same thing, U001 because it's a balance sheet item. It's a balance sheet item. Okay. Any questions still here?
No, Naveen.
Okay. Click on save button. Okay. So we have two accounts: interest paid, interest received account. Okay. So already I think I have created with 320010. I remember that's the reason. One second. Okay, 0010. Yeah, it's already created. So write down. We are creating interest received account because we have in our configuration we have mentioned interest received account 1, interest paid account 1, right? We have next one, other incomes, functional area UFIN. It's related to financial income. Next one, short text, interest received account. Next one, interest received account. It's a P&L account item, so we are selecting functional area. Next one, control data. So do we select open item management for this? Do we select open item management for this? Do we select open item management for this?
No, Naveen.
Why? Why we won't select?
It's balance sheet. It is not a balance sheet.
Balance sheet items, we need to select that to all outstanding and prepaid expenses and all accrued and unaccrued incomes, correct?
Yes.
So it's an expenditure, it's an income for us. So that's the reason we won't select it, right? Now, only balance in local currency. Only balance in local currency. Why I'm stressing these many times in the sense, in 100% interview, you will get this particular question, open item management. Okay. Next one, line item display. Sort key 001 001. Only balances in local currency. Line item display. Sort key 001. Next one. Click on create bank interest tab. Click on create bank interest tab. U29. It's a revenue accounts. It's a revenue accounts. 29 is 00G029 in generally, but here we have created U029. Okay. So next one more account. Click on save button. So what is the other account we need to create? We have created
Interest paid.
interest received, interest paid account. So already I have created that also. So 440010 0010. You can see here. Write up financial expenses, P&L account item, finance department. People have changed everything. They have changed it, no problem, but still okay. UFIN. So write down interest paid account. Okay. Click on control data. Currency INR, only balance in local currency. Select line item display. Sort key 001. Sort key 001. Write down 001. Click on create bank interest tab. Click on create bank interest tab. Select 004. Ultra cost accounts. Okay. Click on save button. Click on save button. So next step, write down after ledgers, write down define interest calculation type. Even this is also done already. Write down the part. This is very important step. Define interest calculation types. Define interest calculation type. Okay. So write down path SPRO, path SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting new, general ledger accounting new, business transaction, business transactions, bank account interest calculation, bank account interest calculation. Next, interest calculation global settings, interest calculation global settings, define interest calculation types, define interest calculation types, transaction code OB46, OB46. I'll go with the path. Okay, SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Okay, SAP reference IMG. Okay, financial accounting new, financial accounting new, general ledger accounting new, financial accounting new, general ledger accounting new, general ledger accounting new. Next one, business transactions, business transactions, business transactions, business transactions. Next one, bank accounts interest calculation, bank account interest calculation, bank account interest calculation, bank account interest calculation. Next one, interest calculation global settings, interest calculation global settings, interest. Okay, I'll take additional display key IMG activity. Okay, OB46, OB46, OB46. So press new entries. I think some already has created with U1 ultra interest calculations. So press new entries, press new entries. I've already created, so that's the reason I'm going with this U1 display, or it's the same actually. Click on position U1. So write down here as it is. Okay, here U1 ultra interest. Okay, so select it, and here we have three different types. Okay, so which I told you right last session: interest, item interest calculation, penalty interest calculation, balance interest calculation. Which method we are going to follow? Which method we are going to follow? Who will follow penalty interest? Last session we discussed, right? Who will follow penalty interest calculation? Hope. Am I audible?
Yes, Navin.
Yeah, who will
The
follow
penalty interest.
this calculation and penalty?
Bank people.
Correct. So here we need to select balance interest calculation. Select bank balance interest calculation. So this is ours. So you can create on your own. Press new entries. So give the description and select yes and press enter. Automatically the description will come. Okay. Next, click on save button. After that, click on save button. It will ask for your transport request. So the same thing, ultra group. So click on OK button. Fine. Press back button. Press back button. Prepare account balance and interest calculation. Next step. Prepare account balance in interest calculation. So path same as above, path same as above, path same as above, till interest calculation global settings, till interest calculation global settings. From there, select prepare account balance interest calculation. Prepare Prepare account balance interest calculation. Transaction code OBAA. Transaction code OBAA. Transaction code OBAA. Okay. So here, prepare interest account balance. So I'll think already we have created that. Let me check. L1, L2, L3. Ours is U1, right? Yeah. So you need to press new entries. Write down, press new entries. Press new entries. So you can write as it is. Okay. So first interest indicator already we have created just now. That is U1. Okay. So here interest frequency, how you want to do interest calculation. So is it for monthly, 2 months, 3 months? Generally it would be monthly. So monthly. And settlement day, I'm not giving any settlement day here. So it can be done any time. Okay. So we have a different calendars here. This is very important here. Different calendars. In general, what kind of calendar we follow? In SAP, you people are working as an end user. So what kind of calendar we follow?
Financial year.
No, what kind of calendar is that? Even though you are following financial year calendar, but still what kind of calendar is that?
April to March.
Sorry? No, that is a financial year I'm asking. You're saying financial year. I'm asking what type of calendar you follow. Even though you're following a fiscal year or financial year from April to March, but April to March also we have a number. See, normally we have 4 different types of calendars actually in SAP. One is, this is nothing but the bank calendar. So, okay, I'll tell you, these are the standard calendars which SAP provided. Okay, you can check in your end user level also. B stands for bank calendar. So every month it will, on an average, they will calculate it as a 12 months, 30 days, 360 days. Understood? But in our normal, in general, we will have few months, 31 days, 1 month, we have a 28 days or a 29 days, and few months we have a 30. But on an average, bank will follow this calendar 30 divided by 30 or year monthly 30 days and yearly 360 days. Bank will follow. And we have one more calendar called Japanese calendar. Okay, so every month it will take 30 days, but yearly it will take 365 days. Japanese calendar will follow 30 days and 365 days. Okay, but total 365. So this is a French calendar. This is a French calendar. So they will take February 28 days and other month 31 days. French calendar. So, but in a year it will take 360 days. Okay. And then it's a called Gregorian calendar. Most of the companies, 99.9% companies, configuration will be performed year, financial year, whatever you said. But according to which calendar it will pick, monthly 30 days or 31 days or 28 days, how it's going to pick? Because in the backend configuration, whenever you take document date or post, according to which date, according to which calendar is it going to pick from bank calendar? Is it going to pick from Japanese calendar or a French calendar? No, not three. This is going to pick Gregorian calendar, which contains February month 28 days, 29 days, 30 days, 31 days, right? As it is, it will contain. But here you can say it will follow. French calendar also follows the days as it is. But in a year, it will take only 360. But here it will take 365 days.
365.
Yeah, in the backend, what kind of calendar your company will follow is nothing but Gregorian calendar. Gregorian calendar. Clear? Fine. Total 365 days. So always use Gregorian calendar. Always calculate Gregorian calendar. Okay. So here what we will do. So here we will calculate balance plus interest. Select the checkbox balance plus interest. So interest should be added to my balance pending balance amount. Okay, so click on balance plus interest amount. Balance plus interest amount. Select checkbox balance and interest amount. So click on save button. So same transport request. Click on OK. Click on OK. So any questions why we took 1, why we took G, why it's a balance checkbox?
No, no, Naveen.
Yeah. So next step. Write down the next step. So press back button. Interest calculation. Define references interest rates. So next step, write down interest calculations. Define reference to interest rates. Okay. So write down third step. Define reference interest rates. Path. Path. Define reference interest rates. Path. Define reference interest rates. Okay. So path same as above. Path same as above till bank account interest calculation. Path same as above till bank account interest calculation. And from there select interest calculation. From there select interest calculation. Next from there select define reference interest rates. Select define reference interest rates. Transaction code OBAC. Transaction code OBAC. Okay, OBAC. So define reference interest rates, transaction code OBAC. So already we have created. Let me check whether we have created or not. You write ours is. So normally we need to press enter. Need to press enter. See here. So I'm giving. So just press new entries. So already I have created. So I'm just showing you. So write down ultra rate of interest 1 or reference interest. Write down description ultra reference interest rate 12%. So we are taking interest rate as in 12%. Reference interest rate 12%. Date from the current financial year starts from 1/4/2023. 1/4/2023. Currency INR. Currency INR. Okay. Next. Click on save button. Is it done? Is it done?
Yes,
1 minute, Naveen.
Yeah, please write it. Once you are done, let me know. Click on save button.
10 Naveen.
Click on save button. Next one, this reference indicator we need to time dependent terms right now. Next step. Next step, right now. Press back button. Press back. Press save button. Press back. Okay. Define time dependent terms. Define next step. Define time dependent terms. Define time dependent terms. Path same as above. Path same as above. Till interest calculation. Till interest calculation. From there select define time dependent terms. Transaction code OB81. OB81. Transaction code OB81. So I'll go with the SAP. So here again, define time dependent terms. So path same as above till interest calculation. And from there select define time dependent terms. Okay. So here already we have created. Okay. Press new entries from here and press new entries. I think we have already created. L1, I think, sorry, U1. Yeah. Okay. So we need to create two time dependent terms. Okay. For debit interest, and next one is credit interest. First, we will create debit interest. So write down this. So whatever we created just now, the reference rate, that we need to assign here. Okay. So write down U1, currency key INR, effective from 1/4/2023, sequential number 1, debit interest rate. So balance interest calculation already we did. It's for debit. Okay. And reference interest rate, just now we have created reference interest rate 12%, right? So anything you can, in real time, this is not only a standard 12%, we will have any number. So we need to create as it is. So any questions still here? Yes, no?
So we need to write this?
Yes, if yes, you need, because at the time of practice, you will miss it. So write it down, please.
Okay, 1 minute.
And here, the important is here we need to assign that interest rate, whatever reference interest rate we have created. Ultra reference interest rate.
Same for credit also.
Sorry,
Credit.
we need to do that. Now we have done only for debit terms. Now we need to do credit terms. Save, click on save button, click on save button and press back button. Okay, so here unselect U1. So press new entries, or click on next entries. Okay, click on new entries or next entry. So same thing, we need to give only here the description will be changed, credit interest, and sequential number 2, because sequence number 1 is for debit, sequence line items nothing but credit line item number 2. Next one, credit interest calculation. So here, if you click on here, you will find different options. See, credit interest arrears or credit interest balance, debit interest arrears, debit interest balance. So we are not going to calculate on arrears. We are going to calculate on interest. Right now, you are INT1. So the same thing, what we did for debit. So next, click on save button. Click on save button. Click on save button. Okay. Next one. Write down enter interest value. OB83. Sorry. Next step. Enter interest values. Enter interest values. Next step. Yeah, as I said, OB83. Correct. Enter interest values. Enter interest values. Path same as above. Path same as above. Interest calculation still in till interest calculation. Interest calculation. From there, select enter interest values. From there, select enter interest values. Transaction code OB83. Transaction code OB83. This step. Enter interest values. Transaction codes OB83. Okay. So press new entries, and already we have given here. Press new entries for you. So already we have defined here. You are INT 1. See here. So we need to give interest rate here. So when you say, you need to give this description, reference number, you are INT 1, and reference interest rate 12%. From when? From valid from 1/4/2023 till what is the interest rate? 12%. So write down this. Write down this. Okay. Okay. Click on save button. Okay. Next step is prepare GL account balance interest calculation. Right now. So this is the last step in the configuration. Okay. Right now. Prepare GL account balance interest calculation. Prepare balance interest calculation. Path same as above. Path same as above. Bank interest calculation. Path same as above. Bank interest calculation. From there, select interest posting. Interest posting. Interest posting. Next, from there, select prepare GL account balance interest calculation. Prepare GL account balance interest calculation. Transaction code OBV2. Transaction code OBV2. Transaction code OBV2. Okay. So here you can see interest posting. Okay. Transaction code OBV2. So write down, click on execute button. Okay, you just write it down as it is. This part you write it down till here. 1000, 1000. Okay. Write on the screen as it is. Complete till end. So one is interest paid and one is interest received. Interest paid, interest received, interest paid. Just write it down as it is. Normally, if you click on first time new entries, then you will find only this one. First one 100 and this one you need to give. Write down these two steps first. Balance business first screen and the last screen. Write down the first screen and the last screen. Last tab, whatever you call. Or what I'll do is, okay, next after giving this, is this done? Is this done?
First and last one complete.
Yeah, yeah.
First and last completed.
Yeah. Then click on accounts. So after giving that, click on accounts. Click on accounts. So it will ask for your chart of accounts. It will ask for your chart of accounts. Say okay. See here. Just write it down this as it is. So you remember it's 001, 002, 0001, 0002. So we have created these GL accounts. So we are assigning 001 debit line for credit for receipt for interest paid. And this is applicable for masking is nothing but, so this all plus symbols are nothing but masking. Masking in the sense, for example, we have taken a car loan from which bank account? Which bank account we have taken a car loan?
ICICI.
ICICI. So if we give the GL account of that particular time, okay, next time we will take car loan from SBI. Next time we will take car loan from HDFC. Correct. So every time we need to create and we need to mention those account numbers. Instead of that, if we give all the plus symbols, this is called masking. What is, if we are giving all plus symbols are nothing but masking. So whenever we are creating masking option, then what happens is whenever you take any new bank loan, then you need not to mention here the ledger accounts. You remember we have created one ledger account for ICICI car loan account. Yes or no?
Yes, no.
Yeah. So like that, if you are taking from any number of banks, that loan account, car loan or vehicle loan or any other loans, so you need not to mention here manually that ledger accounts. So if you give masking, then it is applicable for all the loan accounts which you are taking for any loans, right? Same thing, employee loan account. So you have given ex-employee loan, right? And if you give the GL account for that employee account, then probably you will give loan to another employees also. If you mention that ledger account, then it would be challenge every time. 1,000 employees are there, then 1,000 ledger accounts we need to create here. We need to assign 1,000 ledgers. So instead of that, if you do masking, then it is applicable for all loans to advances to employees and all loans from all the banks wherever we are taking that vehicle or car loan, whatever ledger we have created. Clear?
Yes, no.
Yeah. So just write down this as a, write it down. This is very important. What is the symbol for masking? All the plus symbols. Write it down as it is. Okay. Okay, plus. Next step. Next step, assign interest indicator to GL masters. Next step, assign interest indicators to GL master. So transaction code FS00. Transaction code FS00. So go to FS00. Go to FS00. 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 Okay, so first we will go to car loan account 1,30,000. Already we have assigned actually. So press enter. Go to create a bank interest tab. So here you can see interest indicator. So here already we have created U1, right? So you can select here U1. Whatever ultra we have created, that we need to select here. So for all the GL accounts we need to create. So select U1 and create a bank interest tab. Next one, we have created loan to employees. Loan to employees, what is the GL we have created? 2,20,000. 2,20,000. Same thing, go to create interest tab. Okay, give U1. Okay. Okay. Without assigning this particular indicator, we can't calculate the interest. Very important step. Is this clear?
Here it is disabled, no, Naveen.
Sorry, no. Why? Because it's already I have assigned, right?
Okay.
That's the reason it is showing. So if you can see here, you can give from here, right?
Okay.
Any questions? Why it is showing? Because already I have created for ultra. That's the reason it is showing. Because already GLs are created. Here, if it is, you can't assign, then how we can do it? Right? How we can select U1? Okay. Any questions before? Yes, no.
No.
Okay, then we will see this interest calculations, posting transactions and interest. So till 7 steps we have completed. So the posting transactions, right? So that we will see in Monday session.
Okay, now.
Okay, thank you. But
Naveen,
yes,
just I want the definition of non-reversal document.
I didn't get you. What do you mean by non-reversal document?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Non-reversal
reversal of
document.
reversal.
Day before yesterday you said.
Reversal of reversal.
Reversal, yes.
Non-reversal you said.
Sorry, let me check. I'm not getting the contest. What you are asking. In this you are asking?
Yeah, in that topic only, you just said non-reversal document something.
Non-reversal documents in the sense, see, we can do any document reversal, but if it is cleared, the document which are cleared, then we can't do non-reversal in the sense automatic reversal, we can't do it. Already it has been cleared or paid. Understood?
Okay.
Yeah. Those are called why non-reversal in the sense, because which are already paid where we can't do the reversal. first we need to clear that line item, and after that we can do the reversal of reversals. We need to reset the
Okay.
cleared item in FBRA, and after that we need to reverse it. Okay. Yeah. Any other
Okay.
questions before we call it for today?
No.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Naveen.
Thank you, Taya.